fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft locomotive tutorial. Today, we're going to be building this Pan Am GP40-2LW locomotive. So let's get right into the build here. So as usual, the first step is to take out a dark oak stair for the coupler, and we'll attach that up. Under it, we're going to put a sideways dark oak fence gate, and also one on either side of the coupler. Then, on the next block down, on bottom, we're going to get 3 polished blackstone blocks in the middle, and an upside down polished blackstone stair facing outward on either side. Then 5 polished blackstone above it. Then we'll come in front of it in the middle, make a 3 block tall T shape. Then on the second layer, we're going to hang a lantern on each side. Then in front of that, we're going to do a 5x3 of polished blackstone blocks coming out to each side of the tracks here. Then we're going to put 3 smooth quartz slabs coming up this gap for stairs, and 3 on this side. Then a dark oak button on each outside edge on the end here. Then we're going to come in and grab a polished blackstone slab. And we're going to put 3 polished blackstone slabs on this top middle, just like that. Then come in front of this, skip 1 block forward from it, get a netherite on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to do a 3x4 of polished blackstone block, and then a netherite on each rail again with an end rod axle. Then we're going to take out dark oak fence gates, open dark oak fence gates into the ends of the wheels here, and also into the ends of the wheels on this side here. Then we're going to fill this top middle 3 on the second layer with polished blackstone block down the length of this truck. We're going to come out 1 block past where these fence gates are. Then we're going to put 3 polished blackstone across the bottom. Coming off that bottom block, we're going to do a row of upside down, outward facing, polished blackstone stairs, 11 blocks long in total. Then 3 polished blackstone across this end, and same thing on this side, 11 outward facing, polished blackstone stairs, upside down. Then we'll come up top and continue filling the top middle 3 to the front of this fuel tank. Then we'll skip 1 block in front of it, get a netherite on each rail with an end rod axle, then a 3x4 of polished blackstone, and another netherite on each rail with an end rod axle. Open dark oak fence gates into the ends of the wheels here, and also into the ends of the wheels on this side. Then we'll continue filling the top middle 3 with polished blackstone block down the length of the truck. We'll stop above where these fence gates are, and in front of it we're going to do a 5x3 of polished blackstone coming out to each side. Then in front of that, a T shape in the middle, and on the second layer, a lantern on each side. In front of that on bottom, 3 polished blackstone stairs on the middle, and an upside down stair facing outward on either side. Above that, we do a block in the middle and 2 forward upside down stairs on either side of that. Then 3 polished blackstone slabs on the top middle, 3 smooth quartz slabs coming up the side here for stairs, and on this side. Next, we'll take out a dark oak stair for the coupler, turn around and stack it up to this middle second block, delete the one we used for placement. Under it, we're going to do a sideways dark oak fence gate, and also a fence gate on either side of the coupler here. Now we're going to come through on the sides of the truck, and everywhere there's a wheel, put a hopper in front of it. Same thing here, then do the other side. Hoppers in front of these wheels, hoppers in front of these wheels. Then we're going to take upside down deep slate tile stairs in between the wheels here, and we need to make an M-shaped pattern. We'll do the same thing here, so upside down here and here, then turn the other way, here and here, so you have an M shape of upside down stairs. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. corner to go here. Then we're going to take out a deep slate tile slab, and we're going to put one of those above each of the hoppers. Same thing here. Then do the other side. Slabs above these hoppers, and slabs above these hoppers. Then come to the front of the fuel tank, put a skeleton skull and a sideways crimson sign. Same thing on this side here. Then we're going to take out a string, and right behind the fuel tank here, put 2 strings on the bottom. Same thing there. Then we're going to take out anvils for our air tanks and run a line of anvils from the top of that string all the way up to this sign. Same thing on this side here. From that sign all the way till it's above that string there. Next, we're going to take out a chain, put a chain on the second layer here and here, then here and here, then we'll come to the back. A chain here and here. Next, we're going to grab a polished blackstone block, a polished blackstone slab, and a smooth quartz slab. On this top middle 3, we're going to fill it end to end with polished blackstone block. Right down to the other end here. Then, on this top outside edge, we're going to put 3 smooth quartz slabs, and same thing on this side. Move down to the back, 3 smooth quartz slabs here, and on the other side. Then in front of those, we're going to do 3 polished blackstone slabs, then 2 smooth quartz slabs. Same here, 3 polished blackstone, 2 smooth quartz. Then we're going to do 3 polished blackstone coming in from each end, and add 1 more on each side. Then in the middle, 3 smooth quartz. Come across here and we'll just copy this slab pattern across. Making sure it's all lined up. Just like that. Now we're going to come on top of the front on the 3rd block back. On the left, 2 light blue concrete, 3 long, then a door, and then 2 light blue concrete. Then we're going to put 3 light blue concrete on the top middle, then 2 light blue concrete on each side behind it, and 3 across the top there. Then we're going to put 2 prismarine brick stairs facing outward on either side of the top. Then we're going to come behind this on each side. On bottom, we're going to do a light blue concrete, 2 light blue shulker boxes, light blue concrete. Then 4 light blue concrete above it on each side. Above that, light blue in each corner. And then 2 smooth quartz on each side. Above that, black wool in each corner. Then we'll do 2 stained glass panes here and here. Across the front, we'll do light gray stained glass panes on either side and a black one in the middle. Then we're going to come up top, above the windshield, 3 black wool across the middle. And we'll extend that to the back of the cab. Above the windows, we're going to put 4 outward facing polished blackstone stairs on either side here. Then we're going to come behind us, 1 block in from the outside, 2 light blue concrete and a door. On this side, 3 light blue concrete, then a black wool, 3 black wool across the top. Behind this, a 3x3 of light blue concrete on each side. Then 3 black wool on each side. And above that, 3 polished basalt on each side, with the pattern going vertical. And above it, a 3x3 of polished blackstone slabs. Below this door, we're going to make this stair shape of light blue shulker boxes so we can get up to that door. Then on the other side, we have to do our blower. So 1 block behind the cab on this side. To the back of it, we're going to do 3 light blue stained glass panes, another 3, and then 3 black stained glass panes above it. Then on this top outside edge behind the cab, we're going to do 4 polished black stone slabs. Same thing on this side, 4 polished black stone slabs. Then we're going to come behind here, and on the back middle, on the 3rd block in, 3 light blue concrete, then 3 here, and 3 here. Then we're going to go ahead and bring this forward 3 high with light blue all the way till it meets up at the front. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. Fill in this whole side 3 high with light blue concrete all the way down to the back. Then above that, we're going to do a single layer of black wool. And we'll bring it all the way to the back and around and back up the other side until it's all filled in here. On the top front here, we need 2 black wool on either side, and then in the middle, a black wool at the back and a smoker for the exhaust at the front. Then we'll go around this with a C shape of dark oak trapdoors. Come to the back, put 1 black wool on each of the 3 back blocks. In the back middle, put a cobbled deep slate, and then another 6 cobbled deep slate coming forward. On the side of it, 6 iron bars. Same thing over here, 6 iron bars. Then, starting on the top front of this with polished black stone slabs, make a plus shape for a fan, a second, and a third. Then put an oak trapdoor in the center of all 3 of these fans. Then we're going to go ahead and fill in the rest of this roof 3 wide with black wool till it's all filled into the front here. Then we'll come back here and do our horn. So right here we're going to open back to back dark oak fence gates for the horn. Then take out a black candle, 2 black candles on the back middle of the cab. Then it's hard to see, but we're going to start filling everywhere on the roof we haven't built something with black carpet. Then we'll skip behind here, fill all this with black carpet. Come around this horn, and then come back here and get in between all of these fans. And then 3 on the back 3 blocks. Then we need to come down to the back, knock out this middle block, put in a smooth quartz. Then we're going to knock out this block, put in a black wool. Then a black carpet here, 2 on that side, a T-shape on the end. Then we'll start running black carpet all the way up this walkway on this side. Then we'll have to come up here and crouch and get a black carpet on each of these 2 shulker boxes. Then we're going to come up front here, knock out this one, put in black wool, and finish off a T-shape of black carpet there. Then 1 black carpet here, skip past where that blower is, and run black carpet all the way down to the back on this side. Then we're going to take out a ladder here, come up front where we had that black wool, put 3 ladders. Come down to the back where we have the black wool and run a ladder up this side. Now we'll do our railings, so take out a birch fence. We're going to put 3 coming up here, over 1, and a 2x2 up here. Same thing on this side, 3 coming up here, over 1, and a 2x2. Then right here, come up 4. And same thing on that side here, come up 4 right here. Then we'll move up to the front. Right here, come up 4. Here, come up by 3. Then over 1, and a 2x2 up here. Same thing here. We'll come up 3, over 1, 2x2 up here. then here come up 4. Then we're going to switch to a warp fence, come back here, attach it up right here, and start running it forward all the way up this walkway. When you get right here, come up 1, over 1, up 1, over 2. Then we'll do this side, so come to the back over here, attach it up right here, and bring it straight forward. Right past this blower till it connects with the cab. Then we're going to put a white stained glass pane here and on this side for mirrors. On these front fences, a glow item frame on each side with glowstone for ditch lights. Then a glow item frame on the center of the nose with glowstone for a headlight. A bell on the top middle. On the side of it, a birch sign with the number 505. Then, same thing on this side, a sign with 505. Then we're going to hit those with black dye and a glow ink sac. Then we'll move down to the back. On the middle up here, on the second block down, a glow item frame with glowstone for rear headlights. And then down on each side here if you want rear ditch lights. Now we need to make some banners, so come into a loom with a light gray banner and white dye. We're going to put a vertical on the left and the top half white. New banner. Vertical on the left and right. Horizontal on top and middle. New banner. Vertical on the left, vertical on the right, diagonal. New banner. Vertical on the left, vertical on the right, upside down triangle on top. Then switch to light blue dye and put a light blue border around all of these banners. And then we'll come place these. We're going to start on the third block out from this blower, and we'll put pan, skip 2, and am. And then of course we have to place the banners on the other side here. So right here, just past where those trapdoors are, we'll put am, skip 2, and pan. Now we'll do the interior, so we're going to come on down inside here. In the corner, put an end portal for a toilet. Then we're going to take smooth stone slabs right here, stack it up to the window. And same thing on this side. Then we'll do a single slab on that middle. On the side here, we'll stack them up 2 blocks tall. Same thing on that back middle. 2 blocks tall on this side as well. Then in this center, we'll use our slabs to make a staircase coming down. In the back middle, a blast furnace and a glowstone. Then we'll put a stair on each side for seats, turn around. On the top middle, a glow item frame with a compass and a lever on the right for the engineer. Come down here, put a door right here. And now the interior is done. Next, we're going to come on top of the nose with light blue carpet here and just fill in the top of this. Then we have to make one more banner here, so we're going to come back into a loom, this time with a black banner and light gray dye. We're going to make the top half light gray, switch to black dye, put a black border around it. Switch to light blue dye, make the bottom half light blue. And these are for the cab windows. So come up here, one goes on the back here, then one on the front here, one on this side, and then one on the back over here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Pan Am GP40-2LW locomotive. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.